Hello everyone. My name is Byrce DJ Klasiq and welcome back to your favorite online entertainment news bulletin, Heart of the Streets, which is proudly powered by Nice Entertainment. So if you are new to our channel, please make sure that you click on that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on so that you stay up to date with what's hot, what's nice, what's fresh and what's sweet off the streets. Okay, alright, let's get into our top stories for today. Babes Wodumo and Mampintsha finally tied the knot. So with all the ups and downs, Babes Wodumo and Mampintsha have recently got married. The controversial relationship has been on people's mouths, with the masses wishing to see Babes leave the relationship, especially after a video of Mampintsha abusing Babes in 2019 came out. So last week we saw pictures of their wedding, a traditional one which was attended by a lot of public figures such as DJ Ncube, just to mention just a few. Okay, so a few days later we saw a video of Mampintsha's mother disapproving of the marriage. She was alleging that Babes is faking a pregnancy and the marriage does not even have her blessings, as she was left out in everything, including being invited to the ceremony. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the drama that's happening between Babes Wodumo and Mampintsha. They've got married, but the mother is disapproving of the wedding. So please tell us your thoughts by leaving a like and a comment on the box below, and tell us what you think about these and other stories.